right, so we're on a golfing adventure with Logger Wade. Jason works a lot, Officer Hoover. This could get very, very interesting. I'll go next, Hoover. It don't matter.
All right, show us how it's done, Wade.
S.O.T.
I'll go next.
Wade, what color's your balls down there, buddy?
I got some blue balls, but we're 10 and 2.
10,
Safety first.
10 and 2 on a golf club.
Yes, sir.
All righty.
Blue ball.
All right, after you.
Hard.
You what? Okay.
Oh, it's perfect. It's a hole in one. That's what she said.
He said perfect.
You didn't make it, Wade. You fell short.
Hey, you gotta wait. Everybody else gotta go.
Wade, we all gotta wait.
Hey, we all gotta go.
You gotta wait for us.
Stand by.
You gotta get off the green. You gotta get the hell out of the way.
Nice placement. Nice placement. Oh shit! I don't even know where the hole is.
Right in front of Jason.
Oh, okay.
Don't whack it real hard, but hack it pretty hard. Whack it pretty hard.
That would be hilarious if you seen it.
She's done it before. We had malfunction.
You just missed that.
Complete malfunction.
That was amazing.
Then she just dropped the ball. That's all it was. Nothing.
No, she. Right here. Oh no, I am. I am. We got Tiger Woods here.
Well, now I fell short. Job. Good job. Yeah.
We even want to go.
Oh, she almost touched Logger Wade.
Balls motion.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that was close. Uh-oh. Hoover coming in like a champ.
Up.
Oh.
So there's always a chance that your ball could be it. Hold on, we got one more. Jason has to go.
Jason's got to go.
Get her, bud. Hole in one.
Come on, Daddy.
Hey, which hole did you use, sir? Hit a hole in one. Which is ours for? Oh, he is.
So just knock the shit.
Knock the shot out of
Missed
it.
work a lot. Got down there. All right, Wade.
Nope, Jamie's first.
Oh, yeah. Jamie's the furthest away.
Oh, I have to go first.
Yeah. It goes the furthest.
Y'all look out.
Oh, hey.
Easy.
I gotta get around the curve.
Oh, look at her pushing me, her husband over there next to the thing.
To reiterate that, me and her husband.
So now is it Wade that goes?
Yeah, Wade's furthest. Oh, okay.
Is it furthest or
It's always
closest?
furthest. Always furthest. Always furthest.
I can't remember.
You always get the opportunity to mess everybody else's shot up.
Yeah. Come on,
Like
Wade.
somebody knows the rules. I don't know if I'd stand in a couple. Yeah. My head hurts all the time.
Oh,
Get him there, Happy Gilmore.
I'm not happy. I got it right. This little taparoon.
Flip. Bam.
Oh.
Sorry. Lost just a little bit.
Oh. All right. Yep. You. Are you behind? You and then
got this.
you and then Jamie again, I think.
Right there where the hose at. Left-handed. One hand. Boop. Whatever.
Oh.
Throw back, damn it. That one.
So Jamie has to go again. I gotta go again.
Number 3 for Jamie.
Oh, jeez.
But the good thing is I get to play more. Yeah, I get to play more. It's a better bang for your buck. Well, because here's the budget. But oh, yeah. Well, not now. Because I got maybe two.
All right.
Orange. I mean,
Orange.
Have your best player.
all right. In case you didn't catch it, that was 2. I didn't get it on camera, but it did go in the hole. So.
I don't think I'm further away. Are we playing with a max?
Wow, you did.
Yeah, 5. Let's do 5. What, 5?
Black.
Yes.
Whoever's black is up. Well, she knocked it farther out there. Oh, yeah. Actually,
Yeah,
hold on, black. Light blue again.
Good
Just
God.
keep adding pointer.
I'm gonna go left-handed.
Just keep adding your pointer.
Just remember that you're gonna have a max of 5.
Hey everybody, I got an idea. Let's go play putt-putt because I'll win.
I'm done.
I'm not trying to be a...
5 it is.
He said,
I have a dog stick.
Save me! Save me! Save me!
Calm down.
Yeah, you better listen, mister.
You don't scare me neither.
You're supposed to scare her a little bit.
It's not my fault. I'm not pulling security tonight. Security's over there putting. Oh, it's so close. Tap it in. Tap it in.
Officer, I have 5. I'm max.
Yeah, I got you down.
You got me, all right.
All right, Ashton's getting after here.
3. Oh, it's beautiful. That's a beautiful.
Can I give her a little tappy? Yeah.
Here's a little taparoo there, buddy. A 3.
That'd be a dark blue, sir.
A 3 for the wifey. 3. All right, I'm working on my 3. All right.
All right, come on.
Okay, here we go. Let me go first. Here we go. No pressure. No pressure. Just tap it in. Just bam! That's what I'm talking about. Let's see, we got 3.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew.
Mr. Works a lot himself.
Yeah, that's a 3.
Good job.
Mr. Goff's a little.
We're back here taking cover at this time. Look out, here it comes. Oh, almost got Ashton. Holy cow. Almost had a girl down.
You done lost your balls. You blew one.
Where'd it go? Okay, well that ain't going well planned, but
Okay, I was really trying. I just
Wait,
messed up.
I can't find it.
whatever.
You can't
This
win.
game is rigged.
You can't win if you don't got a ball.
There it is. Play it as it lies.
Play it as it lies, Wade.
I really want to tell him. Yeah.
That's the new rule.
Play it as it lies.
Oh, you gotta wait for Jason to go and then it's your turn. Wait.
Right there.
Woo!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Happy Gilmore. He hit himself with the balls, boy.
Wait, I moved the tee.
This is very detrimental to my YouTube channel with all this stuff going on.
Dug it, planted real good.
And do the Bob Barker. Oh! Oh, he blocks me. He blocks me. What the heck?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Wait, go in front.
Oh, Wade's gonna play it where it lies.
There's me ball bag.
There's the ball, bud. This is a terrible idea.
Yeah.
Watch it go in.
Where'd it go?
Come back, Paul.
What the hell?
Oh, there it is. You do realize
For the love.
that we're gonna be hitting these for like an hour.
Oh yeah, we're doing this for an hour. Guys, take a look here.
Oh yeah. That's a perfect angle. That's awesome. Did it work?
Let's see where it went. Send it! So where we headed at. Where'd we go, Wade? Where? Oh, over there? Oh. Here we go. See how y'all stay right there for a minute.
I want to take my phone.
Let's see. Holes over there.
The blue ball fans club.
Oh!
Blue Ball
Too
Fans
hard.
Association.
Yeah, the Blue Ball Fans Association.
Too hard. It was just too hard. Yeah, we got that hole didn't go so well for S.O.T. Metalworks, but
That's all right. That's all.
we're gonna go up here. Believe I see an upcoming video
That
event.
couple went good for Miss.
Yes,
S.O.T.
Miss S.O.T. did fantastic. I think you got 3 on that. Everybody else got 5 or 4.
Yeah.
Wade, I'm gonna need you to go for a ride.
Oh, dear.
This is gonna be my good Instagram post for the day.
Yes, that should make the Instagram post. All right, we're down here. We're gonna get an interview with the hole-in-one, Mr. Wifey Works a Lot. How did that work out for you?
That was awesome.
You
It's my
didn't-
first hole-in-one in at least a decade.
And you didn't listen to Jason or Logger Wade, so it worked out.
No. Yep. Had my own strategy going here.
There you go. Oh, Miss S.O.T's in there now. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Oh. All right, y'all ride along with us. Let's see what happens. No pressure, huh?
Yeah. Oh.
You had the camera rolling that whole time?
Yep. I wouldn't have hit your ball on purpose or anything. I swear, Jason.
That's all right. I'm still gonna miss. Oh yeah. That'd be a 3, please.
We'll be back. I don't know how this is gonna go. This could take forever to make this video. All right, so we were up there and Wade knocked it over the hill, all the way down, and into the water. And those fine, kind folks over there, they helped us out tremendously and got it out of the water for poor Wade.
And the S.O.T.
That's because the ball's all nice and wet now.
Came right down, hit the hole, and ricocheted out.
Oh, I got.
Everybody knows that it's always better with a
I got
ball.
robbed so hard.
Yes, you did.
Purple.
Remember your
Any double fist cameras?
Yeah, sure. All right. Hey guys, if you met my subscribers, hey, give me my subscribers, man.
Put on set of full tires. We made it right over in the hole and then pretty much laid it right in there, didn't we, bud?
Oh! I have to go again now. Oh no! Got to go again.
Over the top of the wet, and then we got a hole over there. 10,000 bucks flew right in the corner. Pocket.
Oh,
It hurts, don't it?
this game sucks.
No one knows what's actually on.
All right.
It looks like we got a
18.
65% grade here, driver.
We have been laughing so hard at Wade is out of control. Uh-oh. Not get in the hole. Look at here. Look at here. Oh, got a little dimple there. So we're standing here with a professional. Officer Hoover, how many hole-in-ones have you gotten tonight, sir?
3.
3.
How many breaks does it take to put a truck out of service? Whatever. But I got 3.
Wade, have you had an interesting time tonight?
Yes. I'm pretty much, I've got losing cornered.
Cornered. Got to marker cornered.
Jason's right in front of you.
That's Wade.
Oh, wait, it's.
The ball in the hole. I just can't seem to understand. You gotta hit the ball in my fritter. Yeah, there. What the fuck? Whatever. Bam.
I don't know if I got that on camera or not. I couldn't laugh that hard.
Whatever.
Whatever.
I hate putt golf. Golf.
Whatever. Oh. All right, so we got back in here. We are gonna find out just what the total is and see what happens. We've got Officer Hoover. He had to run and do something real quick. He'll be right back. Get you guys the total. But in the meantime, we're gonna do a little shopping. I got a little mermaid on my shoulder. Wait, I mean, you've been walking around with a lot of them this weekend. Is that? I mean, if you guys have never been shopping with Logger Wade, you're in for a treat. Hold on, let's stand by. We'll get with this.
I need the internet's opinion. Yes or no?
Yes, America.
Get back immediately. Thank you.
America.
Leave it in the comments down below. Can you find tater on any of these?
We're here looking for anything that's got Marty Mouse and Doofy on it.
Oh, Marty Mouse. People, I believe Wade would say, some of you people would say Wade is on this, but I'm not sure. But no, he's definitely not.
You gotta sound out your vowels, Mary J. Waney. Beware of dogs.
Beware the dog.
Yeah, I used to date a dog.
All right, we're here with the totals. Let's see how bad I got beat on this one.
All right. So, do we want to start low?
Yeah, we want to start the last place.
Last place?
Yeah.
Well, Logger Wade,
No,
59.
no surprises there.
Next, we got
It's a good logger,
Miss
just not.
S.O.T. at 55.
Whoa!
Next, we got S.O.T. at 52.
Woohoo!
And Wifey Works a Lot and Officer Hoover tied for second.
Congratulations!
And by 1 point. 1 point.
Wait.
By 1 point, Mr. Works a Lot. Me and you tied for second. So anyone's here to pause this, recount, that's fine. I won't be offended. Tell me I'm wrong. So.
That's okay. I'm gonna frame it and give it to Wade because I beat him.
The official score. Oh, that's it, guys. Jason Works a Lot got us beat. No surprise there. We did terrible. So it was a pretty interesting night. But hopefully you guys didn't mind this video too terribly, and it was somewhat entertaining for you guys, but we will see. I got to say, we had a ball and a blast, and Wade kept us highly, highly entertained. So we're gonna get out of here. You guys be safe, be careful, and as always, remember, work smarter out there, not harder.